This short video shows the assembly of the USMW heavy-duty water pump, US94. During assembly, Loctite is used to ensure the assembly's longevity. A few of the features of this pump are OEM-specified case-hardened bearings, precision CNC machine surfaces, OEM-specified high-quality premium seals, efficient composite impeller. All USMW HD water pumps are manufactured to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Before packaging and shipping, all US Motorworks water pumps are leak tested. Each pump is measured to ensure proper fit, form, and function. US Motorworks, industry-leading quality, 100% OEM performance.